माय चैनल। इट्स अनदर डे एंड अनदर व्लॉग। तो अभी मैं तैयार हो रही हूँ, आज मैं फिर से बाहर जाने वाली हूँ एंड आज का कुछ ऐसा प्लान है कि आई एम गोना मीट माय फ्रेंड, जो सरप्राइज है, आपको पता चलेगा। शी इज ऑल्सो अ ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर। एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज हम लोग जाएंगे सोलोमॉन्स टेम्पल। ऑब्वियसली बड़ा बाजार फिर से घूमने जाएंगे हम लोग। आई एम टोटली लाइक एक्साइटेड राइट नाउ। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड उसके बाद मैं जाऊंगी सबसे पहले अपने फ्रेंड से मिलने। ठीक है गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड। हे गाइस, तो मैं अपनी मौसी के घर ज़मा बॉक में थी और अभी मैं फ्रेंड के पास जा रही हूँ विथ ऑल माई लगेज टू बॉन्गकॉन। Excuse me, is this Jenny's? Yeah. Okay. It's here.
Hi, finally!
So nice to meet you.
You're so pretty.
You're so pretty. Hey guys, तो finally मैं पहुंच गई हूँ. So this place is known as Jenny's Homestay, which is on the Lunglei Road. ठीक है, बॉन्गकॉन में है ये. And look who is here with me. Say hi. Hi. So this is Swati and she is a travel blogger. She makes amazing videos. और ये मिजोरम में आई है घूमने के लिए. So tell us something.
Thank you. So हाँ, I'm so excited about visiting Mizoram. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं अभी finally पहुँच गई. So I can't wait to explore Mizoram. And Sunita here so sweetly, she's agreed to join us and be our local guide.
It's my pleasure actually to have you because मतलब मिजोरम में इतना कम like tourism है. So I feel very happy जब भी कोई बाहर से लोग आते हैं.
Yeah.
So like thank you actually for coming here.
So I'm actually doing this project where I want to visit all the Indian states. So this Mizoram is a part of it.
Yeah.
And so excited.
And
You
we
will see
are
us
also
exploring Mizoram.
we are also going to South Mizoram. तो उसके लिए तो सब लोग excited रहना. ठीक है? So guys, स्वाति के साथ उनकी भी एक friend आए हैं. So meet Akshay. Where are you from, Akshay?
I'm from Bangalore and it's a really beautiful city and I love this place. I've never been to a northeastern state before, so this is amazing.
Yes.
You guys should come here.
We hope you like
Yeah,
really
I
like
will,
it.
I will.
So guys, अभी हम लोग जहाँ पे है ना उसको बोलते हैं जेनीज होम स्टे, जैसे मैंने बताया. और ये बॉन्गकॉन में लुंगले रोड पे है एंड दिस इज लाइक रियली प्रिटी. और इसके वहाँ पे ना बहुत अच्छा सा व्यू भी है. इट्स सो नाइस. लेट मी शो यू. ओके, लुक एट दिस गाइस. कितना सुंदर व्यू आ रहा है ना आइजॉल का. एंड दिस इज द होम स्टे. इट्स लाइक रियली प्रिटी. Solomon's temple and it is huge and it is so pretty. Like look at this guys, look at this. This is really nice. So guys, in Solomon's temple मतलब यहाँ पे जो फाउंडेशन स्टोन था ना वो 1996 में रखा था एंड द इनॉग्रेशन जब हुआ था वो 2017 में. So you can imagine मतलब कितना साल लग गया इसको बनते बनते. एंड प्लस लाइक एवरीथिंग इज मेड अप ऑफ मार्बल. So it's super nice. बहुत clean and अच्छा लुक देता है. And it's like it's huge, it's grand. Like look at this. दिख रहा होगा शायद आप लोगों को अच्छे से, right? मतलब ग्लास के रिफ्लेक्शन से अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा, but it's really nice. So Swati, what is the most interesting thing that you like about this temple?
the architecture, it's very pretty. So that is one thing. Besides that, तो हाँ, मुझे तो इसका सबसे अच्छा आर्किटेक्चर ही लगा. Because besides that, I don't know which, what type of Christianity is practiced there. I tried looking for it. And what they mentioned about the crown, the stars, I find that interesting.
Yeah, crown and star. Like, look at that crown.
So one crown is for the crown of salvation, one is for
crown of righteousness.
And then one is for outcomers and one is for life.
So that's quite interesting.
This church, or we can say sect, is about 30-40 years old only.
So this is not the regular Catholic or like a Protestant?
Not at all. See, if you can look at the top of the church, you will see the Star of David. They are somewhat different from the other denominations, the Christian denominations. I don't know exactly how they are different, but there are certain verses that they took from the Bible that are not so mainstream. They do not have a certain day for worship. But for them, whenever the leaders say we have to worship on that day.
Now we are at Bada Bazaar, right?
Yes, Bada Bazaar. First, we need to find something to eat.
Exactly.
So famished.
We are so hungry right now.
Yeah.
गाइस तो हम मार्केट पहुंच गए हैं और सबसे पहले खाना तो वी ऑर्डर मोमोज 50 रुपीज़ का मिला है 5 पीसेस आई गेस
50 rupees per plate.
या सो फार कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. People are very stylish here. So I think I want to take style tips from them.
या डेफिनेटली. Bye everyone. Bye bye. So we were at a parking lot और ये हमारे फ्रेंड का कार था. हमें ये बैग लेना था यहाँ से and he is not here. The key is not here. And look at this.
Keys are in this car.
Oh, key is there in this car actually. Can you see? So like this is below Millennium Center के वहाँ पे है और यहाँ पे पार्किंग में सारे गाड़ियाँ लाइक दरवाजे वगैरह सब कुछ खोल के चले गए हैं. So Akshay, what do you think about that?
It's so scary.
Scary?
But actually here it looks like people are like, very honest. And
Honest
no one's
and
going to
genuine.
steal. Like, if it was some other place, this would have been gone by now.
Right? Like with the key inside.
Yeah, with the key. There are all these cars.
All these cars. So that's really interesting. ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था मिजोरम के बारे में actually. Like look at this. यहाँ पे key है. ये पूरा खुला हुआ है. And that's the same condition like everywhere. Even here also. See? That's the key. Okay, we should go now.
Yeah, please go.
See, right over here also. Is the key? Key is there. So guys, after a very long day, अभी हम लोग एक बहुत ही सुंदर से रेस्टोरेंट बोल सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट कैफे में आए हैं जिसका नाम है द एथनिक किचन. एंड द प्लेस मतलब द एम्बियंस हियर इज सो गुड. और यहाँ पे पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न का जितने भी स्टेट्स है, जितने भी ट्राइब्स है, उन सब का मतलब कुछ ना कुछ इन्होंने यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. एंड दिस प्लेस लुक्स लाइक रियली नाइस. दिस प्लेस इज इन बोंगकॉन एंड it's super cute. We should use it. Come. Let me show you around, okay? It's really nice. Try that.
It's good. Spicy.
These are how many types? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
She used to
So
make
these
this.
are like 7 types of chutneys. You have to explain,
Later
okay?
we
Yeah, later we'll explain.
Yeah, sure.
We have a spread. Chicken.
Yeah. And this is Misao dish, like we call bai.
Bye.
Yes.
What is that?
Bye.
This
Misao
one.
dish, yeah.
Bye.
Yes.
So this is bai.
That is?
That's pork.
That's pork.
Okay.
This is a highlight
Oh man.
of tonight's dinner.
Yeah.
You like pork?
Let's take
Yeah, I like pork.
And do you like
Yeah, I
pork?
love pork.
Oh my god.
This?
This looks like really amazing.
I don't
Yeah,
think we'll be able to finish it.
exactly.
But I want to eat it all.
I'll try my best to finish
I
it.
think we
Yeah,
should
me
take a
too.
picture.
How excited are you about the food?
I'm very, very excited. I can't wait to dig right in.
Yeah, me too. So cool. I've already started the video.
Okay, guys. Today we're done with the vlog.
We're done with the vlog.
Yeah, we are done now. It's time to crash.
The food was amazing.
The food was so good.
The food was amazing. The food was great. We're back at Jenny's homestay.
And we are going to sleep now.
You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Also subscribe to.
Subscribe to my
Subscribe to
channel.
Swati Harinan.
Here.
If you like travel videos, it goes by the name Swanderlist. And if you like to travel, then you can consider subscribing.
Yeah. Link will be in the description. You can go check her out. And तब तक के लिए चलो bye bye.
Bye.